Earn $180 with translation work from home and no investment needed. Are you looking to earn money from home without any investment? Just imagine making $180 or more just by translating text on your mobile phones, and it's easy. And I'm here to show you how. Watch this video all the way through the end and you will know exactly how to start earning translation work today. Yes, I'm already making a good income from translation work, and I'll walk you through my personal earning, show you live proof, and guide you step by step so you can start making money too. So are you ready? Let's dive in. So step number 1 is see how easy it is. First, let me show you how simple translation work can be. When you get a project, let's say it's translating from Spanish to English or French to English, and you don't even need to know the language fluently. You can use tools like Google Translate to help. And here's how you can do this. Just copy the text you are given. For example, in French, paste it into Google Translate and voila! It's translated into English for you and deliver the translation to your client, and just like that, you have earned money. I'll guide you through every step, and it's that easy. So step number 2 is how to get started. Now let me log out of my account and show you exactly how to sign up and start working. Just follow along. So go to the website Steppy. This is the website I use for translation job, and I'll show you the live in this video. Just go through the website and see how it works. Just click on join as a translator and fill out the form. Enter your username, password, upload your profile picture, then enter your first name, last name, email. I am a translator. Select from the drop-down menu and then translate from whatever language you want to translate from. Just choose that language from the drop-down menu and then translate to the native language. It might be English, Dutch, or any of the language. And then choose the industries from the drop-down menu and then write your city or country and then check mark the terms and condition and then sign up. It takes less than 5 minutes. So choose the language pair you want to translate carefully. For example, English to French, English to Spanish, English to Dutch, and select the industry you are interested in. For example, business, medical, aerospace, legal, cosmetics, fashion, and you're all set. After signing up, you will get access to your dashboard where you can track your jobs, earnings, ratings, and more. So step number 3, start earning. On the dashboard, you'll see available jobs. Just stay active because new jobs are posted every hour and you don't even need to send proposals. Just apply and get started right away. Once you complete the job, the payment is yours. You'll see your total earnings, current balance, and the amount you can withdraw at any time. Withdrawals are simple and the money goes directly to your account. You can download the Steppy's app from App Store. It's the world's first chat-based mobile translation app powered by human translators. So you can easily download it from App Store and it's available on App Store. You can translate anywhere, anytime, and easily. Finally, translator can work easily from the cell phone when and where they want. Steppy's mobile messaging-based translation model makes translation on your smartphone as easy as chatting. So why you want to work with Steppy's? Because work whenever and wherever you like. You can get paid on time, anytime. You can work according to your own interest and schedule. You can develop your own skills as well. Just check out the frequently asked question if you have any question related to Steppy's and the withdrawal methods available. So let me tell you here, you can use PayPal and Stripe with more payment option available for withdrawing your earnings from Steppy's. So it's as simple as that. So step number 4, my personal earnings. Now let me show you how much I have earned, and as you can see from my live earning proof, I have made a solid income just from doing translation work on this website. And the best part is no investment is required, just a little time and effort. New jobs you'll see after 24 hours of account creation, and you can Just accept those jobs and start working on them. Right now, you can see some of the jobs like 600 words and $59. It's already taken. And next translation job is 526 words and $52 you can earn from doing this job. Just English to Spanish translation. One more job is there, which is from English to Spanish Latin American. And subject field is education. You need to translate 393 words and it is offering $43. Wow. So you can get these jobs. You can grab these kind of high-paying jobs after 24 hours of your account creation. So just wait and then start working on your projects. If you want to check out the trust level of this website, simply go to Scam Advisor, paste the link of the website into Scam Advisor and check out the score. It's 100 out of 100 and it's most trustworthy site to work on, and you can get your withdrawal via PayPal or Stripe, and it's available all over the world. You can see the industries you want to work for. The industries include life sciences, financial services, oil and gas, manufacturing, government, food and beverage, legal, e-commerce, education, travel and tourism, automotive, and agriculture. So you can choose the subject domains, the domains of your interest while applying for the jobs. Also, you can apply in any language you want. There are 100 of languages available on this website for which you can translate into. Choose wisely and start earning money online. Just remember, the more active you are, the more jobs you will get, even if you are just starting. Within 24 hours, new opportunities will come your way, and stay consistent and you will soon see the money rolling in. Then why wait, guys? Just start right away and start earning today. I have shown you how simple it is to get started and make money through translation. The method is proven and I have taught you every step from signing up to completing your first job. Now it's your turn. Don't wait. Take action today. Start translating and begin earning a solid income from the comfort of your home. If you follow these steps, I have no doubt you will succeed. See you in the next video and happy earning.